Friends, it's me, Jenny here. I just wanted to do a short video and tell you about these cool nail stickers that I tried. I got them from Amazon and got a handful of different colors for variety. I haven't had a chance to do any t-shirt cutting videos recently, but I do have several already planned in mind, and I look forward to doing some more t-shirt cutting videos soon. In the meantime, I thought it might be worth pointing out these cool nail stickers because if you're like me, then you probably spend way too much time trying to do your own nails, but you also don't really like to go out and have them done by someone else. So I normally try to do my nails at home so I can play with my cat or watch Netflix or whatever. But these nail stickers were really cool and I figured that they were worth pointing out. Last time I tried them, they seemed to last for even over a week, but the more careful you are when applying them and the less strain you put on them while they're on your nails, like not washing dishes a million times without gloves type of thing, they'll definitely last longer the better care you take. Well, anyway, this is what they look like after they're on. I'll be sure to leave links in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions about either these nails, this video, or anything else for the channel in the future. By the way, in case you didn't know, I stream regularly on twitch.tv/JennyNexus, and I'd like to invite you to join my Discord if you haven't already. There's a channel on there for sharing DIY and fashion projects, so I would love to see if you come up with any different t-shirt cutting experiments or have other cool fashion stuff you wanted to share. Well, anyway, that's all, friends. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!